this video, we're going to be talking about pointers. Now, before pointers, we need to know how the memory structure is in a system. So, memory is divided into bits, bytes. Now, each byte in memory has something known as an address. So, one byte of memory has a different address than the next byte of memory. Address is to let the CPU or the microprocessor know where each item is stored and how to retrieve it. Now, we say that an int variable needs 4 bytes of memory and a char needs 1 byte. So an int variable will be stored in 4 bytes and will have a location, memory location, and will have an address which points to those 4 bytes of memory. Now, what does a pointer do? Let's see. A variable called operator, which is of integer type, so it'll have 4 bytes of memory. Now, to know where these 4 bytes are in the memory, we do a statement called printf %p. Then, as I mentioned earlier, you use ampersand to know the address Let's save and run this code. So this is the address that is allocated for the variable operator. Now let's see how pointers come into the picture. Now, pointer has a data type, so let's me declare an integer pointer. Then the variable name is preceded by an asterisk. Now a pointer points to the memory location of a variable and displays what is stored in that variable. So let me assign the pointer address. Let me give a value to operator first. It's 5. Now pointer is equal to star, ampersand operator. Now let's print the value of the pointer. Let's save it and close it, compile it. You can see that the pointer variable printed 5 because it's pointing to the location of the operator variable which holds a 5 in the memory location that we printed before. Now that's how you use pointers. There's also pointer to pointers. You do star p2p and pointer. Now star pointer is equal to address of the pointer. Now let's save the code, close it, compile it. Oh, sorry, I forgot to change the save it, close it, dot slash a dot out, and you see a 5. Now pointer to pointer holds the address of another pointer, which will be used for many applications. I hope you understood the video. Thanks for watching.